Okay, guys, I already opened this, but you see something short. But today, I got them all unboxing. I got this one of DHS die cast. This is just the shipping stuff. Crap. Today I have I guess, what is that? Oh, good, geez, wow, they wouldn't have been all with this one. My Shear. This is going on my 365. I got the pin right here. This is going on 365 that I'm customizing. It's going to be painted black and blue, like a light blue, and I think it'll look nice. But I got my Shear. I'm really not going to do a model review of this. I mean, it's really self-explanatory. I'll probably do a thing if I had to put it on and everything, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I just see closes. Yeah. Thanks for watching.